Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 20 stocks including TCS, KSOLs, Shriram Finance, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. AA Plus Trade Links Limited. Current market price rupees 13.8. AA Plus Trade Links announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date is fixed as 8th January 2025. IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals Limited, IOLCP. Current market price rupees 412. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Ex date and record date is yet to be announced by IOL Chemicals and Pharmaceuticals. Kothari Products Limited, Kothari Pro. Share is trading around rupees 197. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Kothari Products, you will get another 100 shares as bonus. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Kothari Products. EFC India Limited, current market price rupees 596. This company also announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by EFC Limited. KSOLs India Limited, KSOLs, current market price rupees 968. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. That means if you have 100 shares of KSOLs India, your 100 shares convert to 200 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by KSOLs India. Tata Consultancy Services Limited, TCS, current market price rupees 4,113. Company announced a board meeting on 9th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Record date for the dividend is already released, that is 17th January 2025. Nava Limited, Nava, current market price rupees 1,000. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 20th January 2025. Red Tape Limited, Red Tape, current market price rupees 879. Red Tape announced a dividend of rupees 2, that is 100%. Record date for the dividend is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Red Tape Limited, current market price rupees 879. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. That means if you have 100 shares of Red Tape Limited, you will get 300 shares as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by Red Tape. Shardul Securities Limited, current market price rupees 432. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex date and record date is fixed as 13th January 2025. Shriram Finance Limited, Shriram Fin, current market price rupees 2,917. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Record date is fixed as 10th January 2025. Scenic Exports India Limited, current market price rupees 1,379. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Scenic Exports, you will get 100 shares as bonus. So total you will have 600 shares. Besides, company announced a dividend of rupees 1 per each share. Ex date and record date is fixed as 3rd January 2025. Vantage Knowledge Academy Limited, current market price rupees 162. Company announced a board meeting on 7th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Manba Finance Limited, current market price rupees 156. Company announced a board meeting on 27th January 2025. Purpose of the board meeting is declaring dividend and announcing Q3. Record date for the dividend is already released, that is 5th February 2025. TT Limited, current market price rupees 158. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. That means if you have 100 shares of TT Limited, your 100 shares convert to 1000 shares. Ex date and record date yet to be announced by TT. Jai Balaji Industries Limited, Jai Balaji, current market price rupees 907. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 17th January 2025. Jay Balaji Industries is splitting their stock for the first time. Jackson Paul Pharmaceuticals Limited. Current market price rupees 649. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 2:5. That means if you have 500 shares of Jackson Paul Pharmaceuticals, you will get 200 shares as bonus. So total you will have 700 shares. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 8th January 2025. Richfield Financial Services. Current market price rupees 93. Company announced a bonus in the ratio 1:1. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Richfield Financial Services. Julian Agro Infratech Limited. Current market price rupees 25. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 6th January 2025. Ather Energy, the Bangalore-based electric two-wheeler manufacturer, has taken a step towards its stock market debut. The company has received final approval from the Securities and Exchange Board of India to float its initial public offering. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe.